Hi everyone, a very good day to all of you and hope you are all doing fine. Today, I want to talk to you about our latest offering, Kotak Business Cycle Fund, an open-ended equity scheme following business cycle based investing theme. Let's understand more about the fund in detail. Just like humans, companies also have a life cycle where the growth rate is higher in the early stages, often called as startups. However, the pace of growth moderates going forward. Likewise, companies as well as sectors have a cycle forming a pattern. So, one has to navigate through constantly changing cycles to benefit from it. The Kotak Business Cycle Fund dynamically moves between various sectors and stocks with an aim to benefit from the different business cycles that the economy is going through. The fund manager will consider various economic parameters like GDP growth, current account deficit, interest rates, inflation, etc. Investment indicators like investment in capex, capacity utilization rates, etc. Business and consumer sentiments like purchasing manager index, business confidence index, etc. in addition to other parameters to construct the portfolio. The fund will follow top-down approach to portfolio construction to identify stages of business cycle and then look into opportunities sector-wise. The portfolio is therefore likely to be focused on a few selected sectors which are likely to do well in a particular business cycle. Subsequently, a bottom-up approach will be followed to identify strong companies within those sectors. To select companies within these sectors, we will use a combination of factors which include the BMV framework or business, management and valuation of companies. Let's understand the sector's behavior in different phases of a business cycle. In an early stage of the economy, cyclical and rate sensitives tend to outperform. These include metals, power, infrastructure and capital goods, etc. In the mid-cycle phase of the economy, growth moderates and sectors such as energy, industrials, banking could continue to do well. And in the late cycle of an economy or in the contraction phase, sectors that typically generate high free cash flows such as fast-moving consumer goods, information technology and pharmaceuticals tend to outperform. These sectors tend to continue performing even during the downturn or slump phase where there is broad-based slowdown in growth. As investors, though, you must understand that individual sectors do not follow the same performance pattern every period. Also, business cycle transitions are generally gradual and have many overlapping periods. Thus, the fund may be reasonably diversified across various industries and sectors by investing in stocks that are levered to the stage of the business cycle and transition period. I hope that this has been helpful in understanding the concept of Kotak Business Cycle Fund. The NFO opens on September 7th and ends on September 21st, 2022. We look forward to your participation. Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.